Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover repeat customers with Netflix, full guide step by step clearly. To recover repeat customers with Netflix, start by understanding your existing user base. Analyze viewing habits and preferences through data analytics. Identify the reasons for disengagement among previous customers. Segment your audience based on their behavior and preferences. Develop targeted marketing strategies for each segment. Use personalized email campaigns to reach out to lapsed users. Highlight new or exclusive content that aligns with their interests. Offer tailored recommendations based on their past viewing history. Incorporate special promotions or discounts to incentivize return. Utilize social media platforms to reconnect and engage users. Create buzz around upcoming releases that may capture their interest. Encourage user-generated content by prompting customers to share their favorite shows or movies. Incorporate feedback loops by requesting input from former customers to understand their needs better. Adjust your content library based on insights gained from audience feedback. Regularly communicate updates on new features or improvements made to the platform. Monitor customer engagement metrics closely after implementing your strategies. Refine and adapt your approach based on the effectiveness of your outreach efforts. Continue to build relationships by maintaining ongoing interaction with your customer base. Foster a sense of community through forums or social media groups related to your content. Focus on providing exceptional customer service to help rebuild trust. Evaluate long-term engagement trends to ensure repeat customers stay satisfied. Implement loyalty programs to reward returning users and encourage continuous subscriptions. By taking these steps, you can effectively revive interest among repeat customers with Netflix. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.